Good evening, everyone. So, how is life going on? How is your learning going on?
Good for it.
Today, we are diving into Sample 3, Reading Part A, Management of Burns. This is from the official OET website. Thank you, OET, for allowing me to use this for teaching purpose. Reading Part A. If you are watching this on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing to the channel. Give us a thumbs up if you like our work and share this video link to your contacts so that we reach out to maximum number of OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling. Sample 3, Reading Part A, Management of Burns. 4 principles of skimming. Okay. So what should you skim for? As I said, main heading is important. Here, management of burns. Then subheadings, which means the focus of each text. So here you have classification, treatment, management, and guidelines. Could you just write down these 4 things in your notebook fast? A, classification. B, treatment. C, management. D, guidelines. Now, third one, you have to look for names. What names? Name of a condition, disease, or medication, or device, or body part, anything of this sort. Any names are important. Then fourth one, you have to look for number and percentage. If they have given some numbers, just glance at it and definitely there will be answer. And fifth one, sequential expressions, initial, later, subsequently, finally, all those sequential expressions, first, second, third. Then classification. If there are classifications, first, second, third, those things are very important. Skim for it. Negative meaning. A question may give you a positive statement, whereas text will give you negative statement. And 8 is time or duration. How long? Okay, maybe 3 weeks you will have to take a medication. Maybe after duration you have to come for review. So just see here, and could you just shout out what are important here?
Burn
One check. Then
superficial
part.
first and second is important. Then
full thickness of burn.
So further
Third degree.
subheadings. Again, in the same text, there are subheadings. So third
Yeah,
degree is
third
important.
degree.
Then
Mixed depth of burns.
these are very important. Look into, maybe you can read this first one. Burn injuries are classified according to how much tissue damage is present. How much tissue damage? First degree, second degree, third degree, mixed depth. So that is known as the topic sentence. This is known as the topic sentence. And that's why I made classification from the topic sentence instead of burn depth. Burn depth also is okay. That's also classification. Or the heading I decided as classification. That is cool. Now let's go to the next text. Now, what are the important here?
Fluid resuscitation. Suggest regime for fluid resuscitation adults.
Fluid resuscitation for adults.
Then children. Yeah.
You know, these are very important. I gave
Yes.
it treatment. I understood this from the fluid resuscitation. It is treatment, right? So
Yes, sir.
I gave the heading treatment. Just I want to tell you, you can make your own heading. It's only for your understanding. And then later on, you know, there are so many numbers here, you know. See
Yes,
numbers.
sir.
But then if you something is spoken about pediatrics or children, immediately you have to come here. If some treatment about adults is spoken of, immediately you have to look only here, not the first and last paragraph. So easy to locate and go fast. And going to third, there are so many things.
Management.
Then
Then
just glance
subheading.
the side heading.
One
Cooling,
Pain
control,
control. Immunization.
and
Debridement.
begin
Application of
application of
antibiotics.
antibiotics. So just have a glance over these things. Okay, that's it. Skimming means that is the thing. Here, coming to text D.
Analgesic guidelines.
Now here you see pain score elicited, mild,
Yes, sir.
moderate.
severe.
When you have such tables, just look at the top
Subheading.
column where you have the subheadings. Mild, moderate. These will be given in the questions. So immediately you can locate the answer. Okay, now here recommended analgesia, paracetamol, and if needed, coming here. Okay, see like the other paragraph, you have here pediatrics, you have here adult, and the questions will give you some clue, adult, analgesic, or pediatric. So if it is pediatric, you need not bother anywhere here. You can just come down here. Only look this last portion. That's how we defeat our biggest enemy. Who is your biggest enemy?
Time.
Step 1, skimming for a general idea. That's what we did. And main heading and headings of each text, subheadings. These are the things we have to look into. Then step 2, focus on topic of each text. Okay, classification, treatment, management, guidelines. That's what we have done already. Step 2, skimming. 4 texts we have done. 4 texts we have skimmed, right? Okay, subheadings of a text A, classification, burn depth, first, second degree burns, then third degree burns, mixed depth burns. This is what we did. Skimming the 4 texts. I'm just summarizing it. Text A, classification now. Burn depth, superficial, partial thickness burns means first and second degree. Full thickness burns third degree. Mixed depth burns. This is all the skimming focus. So you see these 3 things. Main heading, burn depth. Topic sentence, burn injuries are classified according to how much tissue damage is present. This is very important. Usually from the topic sentence you will have questions. Okay. Then you have the classification so that you know exactly how to skim a text. And these headings, subheadings will guide you to the answers. Text B, all these are important. Okay, see, adults, children, percentage per kg, ml, all those things, size, number, measurements, all these are important. Adults and children, because the question will definitely differentiate between adults and children. So immediately you can go to children or adults. So main topic, management of burns. Subtopic, text B, fluid resuscitation. Main heading, fluid resuscitation. Then you have the topic sentence. Then you have the subdivisions, adults and children. And you have the topic sentence in the beginning. And definitely there are some percentage, percent, and all those things given. Usually there will be an answer. So step 2 is main idea, subheadings of each text. Fluid resuscitation is the subheading, adults and children. Those are the 2 aspects. Third one, management. We have already looked into. And fourth one, adult analysis guidelines. Step 3, skim for stem words in the question statements. Now we have seen the main words and skimmed the text. Now we are going into the question statements. Taking the clue from the question statement, we will be matching the text. Match the text. Sometimes you have 5, sometimes you have 6. Most of the time you have 7 questions to match the text. Say this statement is from text A or B or C or D. Now, could you tell me what is a hedging word here which leads you to one of these texts? Age-related consideration for initial treatment of burn injuries.
Initial treatment.
B. B.
B, treatment, yeah. Then risk
Management.
Risk management. Automatically, when you know risk is, usually you say risk management. Then when to start thinking about specialist treatment. Specialist treatment. You need some special treatment after your treatment in the hospital. You need to send the patient to somewhere else. Where do you think of it? Which stage?
Guidelines.
Specialist treatment is after the normal. Okay, treatment informed by patient self-assessment. Guidelines. Yeah, guidelines. How to categorize the
Classification.
classification. First one.
Classification.
So sometimes you have 7, which you can do within seconds. 70 marks. So cool. See, initial treatment, that is correct. Risk management, special treatment guidelines, informed by patient guidelines, categorize, classification. Category means classification. Same synonyms. That's why I said synonyms are important. Now coming to question number 6. Classification of burn injuries. Which text it will be?
A, father.
A.
Classification.
See how easy it is. Patients recovering from third degree. Where it will be?
A classification.
A, again A. And when evaluating mixed depth burns.
A.
Classification.
Again A. See,
Classification.
easily you can go in A. You need not look anywhere. Only in that portion where mixed depth is given. Or the previous third degree is given. So immediately you can go there. 9th one. You should cool burn injuries.
Management.
Management.
Yeah.
By taking off any dash or jewelry. When do you take off jewelry? Is it after the treatment or before the treatment?
Before treatment, sir.
Treatment.
Yeah, before you debride and all those things, you have to remove
Yes.
jewelries and all that, right? When cooling the wound again.
Treatment. Again
Cooling the wound.
Treatment.
B. The patient may require dash booster depending on when they were last immunized.
Management.
Management.
You should consider leaving dash undisturbed as these may help prevent infection.
treatment, sir, like
Treatment,
consider
yeah,
living
treatment. Probably
blister.
you should apply ointments containing dash to all deeper burns.
Treatment.
Apply on.
Treatment.
Let's confirm. Yeah. See now, classification A. No, third degree A, already correct. Mixed depth A. Cool burn injuries C. Cooling the wound, risk of C. Okay, that was management. 11th one, management, and it should consider leaving dash prevent inspection. Again, management. Now coming to 14. In the case of mixed depth burns, again, A. What is the maximum of tries recommended for attaching a drip at the scene of burns incident?
Treatment.
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 Okay. Yeah. How much resuscitation fluid should a child receive per kilo over
Again, treatment. Treatment.
20 kg is the number here, okay, in the question. We'll see some numbers in the text. Before attaching a fluid resuscitation drip to a 9-year-old, you have to go immediately to
Pediatric.
children. Child. Fluid resuscitation drip.
B.
B, right? Yeah.
B, ma'am.
Then what additional analgesic is recommendation? Where it happens? Recommendation.
Guidelines.
Recommended
Guidelines.
guidelines, yeah. What route should be used to administer ibuprofen to children? Again, you have to go to child, pediatric or child, administer ibuprofen. What route? What route means orally
Guideline.
or through IV?
IV.
So, where it should be in under treatment or management or guidelines?
Guideline.
After how long should a patient's pain relief regime be re-evaluated again when a review comes
Guideline.
under guideline. Yeah, guideline. Cool. Let's check. Okay, 14. Mixed depth burns A. Identify the answers in the text. Now you see, they use synonyms. Here it is classified, but one of the questions says categorize. How much, amount of. And considerable contraction, get rid of shrinkage.
Okay.
Contraction, shrinkage, synonymous.
Okay.
Appearance, looks. Presence of, there is. What factor? Based on. These are the words used in the question. Let's check. Part A. The classification of burns injuries depends on the amount of tissue damage caused. That is sixth question in the topic sentence. I said first sentence, topic sentence are always important. See, burn injuries are classified according to how much tissue damage is present. Classification of burn injuries depends on the amount of tissue damage caused. You have to write down in the initial stages, you have to write down this sentence as well as the question statement in the notebook. Gradually, you will develop competence in second one. Patients recovering from third degree burns are likely to experience a great deal of shrinkage and scarring of their skin. Third degree. Where is third degree? Immediately, you know. Immediately, as you see third degree, you just come here. Number 2.
Yes,
This one.
father.
So immediately you come here to find the answer. Patients recovering, healing. Synonym used is recovering. From third degree burns are likely to experience a great deal of shrinkage, considerable contraction, and scarring of their skin. Usually, and or conjunctions they test you. Next one, when evaluating mixed depth burns, immediately you know you have to come here, mixed depth, right? Below. Last portion, 3. You should take into account how the burn looks and whether there is sensation in the affected area. Presence of?
Sensation.
Yeah, second line, you see. When evaluating mixed depth burns, you should take into account how the burn looks and whether there is sensation in the affected area. Presence of, there is. Looks, appearance, synonyms. Next one, 14th one. In the case of mixed depth burns, what factor determines the local treatment to give? What factor? Based on. Synonymous expression. Okay, local treatment should be based on the burn thickness.
Yes.
Is that cool?
Yes, sir.
father.
Yes, father.
So you see, beauty of the synonyms. These are, I said you have to keep a diary of synonyms and synonymous expressions. Question says classified. Text says categorized. Amount of how much?
How
Recovering, healing.
much? Healing.
Healing.
Great deal of shrinkage, considerable contraction. Evaluating, estimating. Looks, appearance. There is presence of. What factor? Based on.
Based on.
Now, text B, I am not going to analyze the whole thing. Synonyms, see, initial, as soon as possible. Initial is the time expression. Maximum. Text says no more than 2. No more than 2 means 2 is the maximum. Okay, that's what I said, negative expression. And this is synonymous expression as well as negative meaning.
Meaning.
Scale is used, maximum, minimum. Then drip, cannulation.
Donation.
Then that is synonym. And per kilo over 20 kg. Each extra kg. Means when you have 21 kg, how much should be given? That is synonymous. And 20 kg, 10 kg plus 10 kg.
10 kg.
Question says 20 kg, but text says 10 kg plus 10 kg. Yeah, that is synonymous. Means same, right? And last one is 9-year-old child. Means children.